iOS 13 and macOS Sequoia, Apple has released a new Send Later feature for the Messages app that lets you schedule iMessage text. You can type and schedule messages and they will be delivered at your set time. Here's how to schedule messages on iPhone and Mac. To schedule a message on your iPhone, launch the Messages app and open the chat where you want to schedule a message. Use the plus button to open iMessage apps and tap on More. You will see a Send Later option here. If you are going to use this feature frequently, we recommend you rearrange this to the top of the list by long pressing on it and dragging it to the top. Tap on Send Letter to open the message scheduler. You will notice that it has added a schedule option at the top of the text field. Type your text and tap on schedule option to change the date and time. Use the scroll wheel to select the date and time. You can also tap on scroll wheel to type the time manually. Finally, tap the send button to send the message. The scheduled message will be marked by a dotted line around it. To reschedule or delete this message, tap the edit button on top of it, tap on edit time and use the scroll wheel to adjust the time. Tap out of the scroll wheel area to set the new time. Similarly, you can use the delete message option to delete the scheduled message. And that's how you can schedule messages on your iPhone. You can use the same steps to schedule messages on your iPad also. The steps to schedule messages on Mac is similar to that on iPhone and iPad. Launch the Messages app on your Mac and open the chat where you want to schedule the message. Type your message and click the plus button. Now, click on the Send Letter option. It will add a scheduling option on top of the message field like on iPhone. Clicking on the date section will open a calendar. You can use it to set the scheduled date for the message. To adjust the time, click on it and use the keyboard to type the exact time. Use the A and P keys on your keyboard to change from AM to PM. Hit enter or return key on your keyboard to send the scheduled message. Like on iPhone, you can use the edit option to reschedule the text or discard it altogether. And that is how you can schedule text messages on your iPhone, iPad and Mac. I'm loving these new quality of life improvement features on iOS 13, iPadOS 13 and macOS Sequoia. Let us know which features you want us to cover in details in the comments below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we release a new tutorial. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.